Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I wanted to do this for What's New Wednesday, but we all know what was happening. So I am going to be unboxing this package from Fabulously Creative. I kind of already know what it is, but let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see. This is how it comes. So Fabulously Creative has the Fab Planner, and it's called Plan a Fabulous Life. This is what it looks like. And let's just do a quick flip through. Let's get rid of that. So as far as the size, the planner is, I'm thinking it's supposed to be 6 by 8.5. So it's really 5 7/8, I think, by 8.5. So almost 6 by 8.5. And that's the inside pages. The cover is about 6.5 by 9. So it's a nice size. Okay. So hey girl, the life of your dreams is calling. This planner belongs to. So I'm not going to read through everything. This is a pink dot grid. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Get clear. Be specific. 5 tips to achieve your goals. Use the next pages to define and set your goals. Bonus tip, believe in yourself. Write it down. Boo. Goals. And again with the pink dot grid. Define your style. Your style is how you communicate your essence to the world. What do you want your style to say about you? So this is kind of like a fashion, where you can make a fashion inspiration board or style inspiration board. And then it goes into your surroundings. So it kind of gives you, helps you define the different areas in your life, I think. Self-care. So then we get into the calendar. So you've got 2021 year at a glance. Got more dot grid paper. So you can do a lot of journaling here. And then you get into the month and your weeks. This is what I was excited to see. Okay. It goes all the way through. Oh, it's the whole year. All the way through January 2nd. And then that's it. So that is pretty cool. And then you have the monthlies before your weeklies. Okay, so we are going to plan in this for, oh, and then I can turn it off. Oh yes, I like that. That's one thing that I do like about discs and spirals, is you can like flip it back onto itself. Okay, so let's jump in and do a spread. Let's see, what week do I want to start? I'm going to do the 11th through the 17th. No, let's do this week. So I'm going to do the 4th through the 10th. And I pulled out my Fabulously Creative sticker book. I pulled out one of the stickers that I want to use. And I pulled out some washi that I think would be cute or might work. I'm not so sure about the moons, but I really think I like the look of this. So let's just get into it. Okay, so I'm gonna put this washi at the top here. This is from Simply Gilded. I don't remember the color name. So, and I'm just gonna kind of put it right there. And I got tape stuck to me from who knows where. Okay, and let's trim this off. Let's trim this off. Then I'm gonna put her here. Or should I put her over here? Okay, so let's see. I think I am gonna put her here. I think I want to put some small washi down. There's not really a whole lot of room to decorate with washi here. So it's not really like necessary. I think this is bluish, purplish color. We'll say it's blue. Okay, I think I need to turn this into like a banner or something because it just looks like a big block that's plopped up here. So let's give it a fishtail. So there's where we are. I don't know that I should have put this one here, but I do know I want to use some of the florals from here. So let me get my scissors because you know we gotta make them last. That was the initial reason why I started cutting them, is because I can get more use out of one sticker. Instead of just plopping one flower down, I can plop down two instead of one. And then the word goals was in here. And since this is intended to be a goals planner, I thought that would be a good idea for this spread. Let's see if I can find it. There we go. Hopefully it'll fit in the space that I want to put it in. Nope. I mean, no, I don't want to turn it. So I'm gonna have to pull out one of my smaller books. So let's use this one. Okay. So I'm gonna use this on Monday. Gonna go ahead and put the doll down. I've been itching to put this coffee cup down, so I might as well just go ahead on and put it down here. But I didn't want to put it. Let's just put it here. Just putting a little deco on the boxes. Okay, so this looks a little off balance because I only used the washi tape in one place. So let's add some to a few other places. So like here. And I'm not gonna do the banner, I'm just gonna tear it at an angle. And then let's see where else. Oh, could put it down here. Okay, that's better. All right, I think we got it somewhat balanced. But that is the spread in the Fab Planner, which is a goals planner. So yeah, I think it turned out pretty nice. Let's see how I like the planner throughout the week, and I'll make sure to report back. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.